So now let's see how we can go ahead and export out our graphic contents for web from Corel Draw. So for that, I'm just going to go around and make a random graphics right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then let's say, for example, make these graphics out right here. So now what I'm going to do is let me just go around and select these right here to export it. And I'm going to go around onto the file menu right here. And then around over here, you can see that export for is an option. And here you can see that web is an option right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that export for web dialog box actually opens up right here, just like this. And over here on the top, you can go ahead and select out the format that you want to export in. So by keeping web in mind, you can see that you can export in GIF, you can export in WebP, JPEG, and so forth, as you can see, like PNG as well. So if I were to go for, let's say, for example, WebP right here, just like this, then you can see that accordingly you see the final quality around over here on the right hand side. So you got the one for the PNG as well, for GIF as well, just like this. And if I were to go around onto JPEG, then there is no transparency, but you can see that there are some artifacts right here. Let me just go around onto PNG 24 right here, just like this. And you can see that you can enable and disable the anti-aliasing as well, and enable and disable the transparency as well, and choose the level of color, the color mode right here, just like this as well. So that is what you have, and you can choose different options, as you can see right here. And then you can also go around and change around the width and height right here of the particular graphics as well. So if I were to go around and type in 1000, let's say, for example, then this is what you have. You got better resolution right here, just like this. And it even gives you an estimate of how long this would actually take to load on certain speed of internet right here, just like this. So for fast internet and slow internet right here, you can go around and select out the speed of the internet as well to know the loading time for this particular graphics. So let me just go around, and once you set all the settings as you like right here, you can also go around and zoom in and see the level of detail as you want. You can go around and click on save as, let's say, for example, and then go around over here onto, let's say, for example, desktop right here, and save this out. So I'm just going to go around and say sample graphics, let's say, for example, and then click on save right here, and it gets exported. So now if I were to go around over here on my desktop, you'll be able to see this particular graphics because I exported it in desktop. So if I were to go around and double click this out right here, then this is what you have, as you can see. So this has been exported in the selected format, as you can see here, just like that. And that is how you can export out contents for web using Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.